Sis, you cannot tell me that I didn't get a sew-in. You cannot tell me.
Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review / install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Unice hair. I will have Unice and this unit linked in the description box below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay sis, so again I received this hair from Unice hair, and it came in this box right here, and inside of the box was first this robe. Sis, the robe is giving. It's really cute. It has like their little logo right here, like girl, we're cute. And yes, I was so excited and nervous because the box was heavy, so I'm like, what is in this box? So yeah, your girl was thirsty and already opened up everything. But anyways, so this package came inside of the box as well. So not only did the robe come in there, you have, oh, this is cute girl. Now I didn't see this. This is a scarf with their logo on it. We have a wig cap, and then we have a baggie with some goodies in it, and it looks like a hairbrush. Girl, if I can open it up. Okay, so inside of that, yes, we do have like a little paddle brush, some cute lashes that has their logo on it as well, another wig cap, and then oops, another scarf. And then I thought I saw something else. Oh girl, I did. We have this wig band. Girl, they are so cute with their packaging. And then this robe just, girl, they cute. So let me get into this unit, and yes y'all, I already done pre-curled it and everything. You'll see me do that in a few minutes. But yeah, so this is the unit pre-curled. It's a body wave unit, I believe, and it's a V part, and you guys already know I'll have the details more once we jump further into the video. But let me show you what this V part is giving. So it comes like that. And then inside of the V part is 2 combs per side. So you got combs here and combs there. And then a comb in the middle. And then you have combs on this side. And then a comb at the bottom along with the adjustable straps. So sis, you are going to be very secure with this unit. Again, we already done put some cute little curls in it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by showing you how I got these curls, and I'm just brushing out the hair with a denim brush and then spraying some Got To Be glue free spray, and this is acting as like my holding spray and just basically curling the hair. Okay sis, so I already pre-sectioned my hair and braided it and whatnot. So we have 2 braids going to the back, and then the braid for where the clips are going to be, and then the leave out. Even though this is a V part unit, I still wanted to leave some leave out just because I kind of feel like it looks better that way. But yeah, so this is the leave out. We're gonna do a side part. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and clip this baby on, and yeah, go from there. Okay, y'all, now we're going to flat iron our leave out, and to flat iron my leave out, I'm going to be using some Blue Magic, and this is just to make my hair very straight, because as you guys already know, I have natural hair, and the only way that my natural hair stays straight when I flat iron it is if I use some Blue Magic. Okay, sis, so now we're gonna do our edges, and I'm just using this edge control gel from my local beauty supply store. It's called True Edge Plus. So yeah, we're gonna take a little bit of this and just lay our edges. Y'all, I'm trying to fix that part right here because it got a little product on it, and y'all know for us naturals, as soon as a little bit of product gets on your hair, it starts to curl up, and that's what's going on. But anyways, the edges is looking laid. Now I'm gonna go in and try to like shape it up a little bit because I want it to match my leave out. So yeah, let's see. I feel like I'm not really doing nothing with this side just because I'm right-handed, and me cutting is just like a little awkward. So girl, we're looking good. Like we got some type of layers. Okay, I really want to cut it shorter, but that would make no sense because it wouldn't match my hair. Then I had to cut my hair. So I guess this is what we're giving. Okay, I can live with it. sis, you cannot tell me that I didn't get a sew-in. You cannot tell me. You cannot tell me that this does not look like a sew-in. Your girl just got a sew-in, sis, because we're looking really good. Girl, I'm just really feeling myself right now. But yeah, enough rambling. Let me turn around so you can get the whole 360. Yeah, oh girl, the side view is cute. Okay. I'm just really feeling myself right now because it really looks good. Like I got a sew-in, some tape ends, like sis, and 4B who? Like girl, do you see this blend? The blend is immaculate. Like honey, now remember I told y'all it started to curl up right here, but it looks really good, girl. 4B who? But anyways, girl, okay, so anyways, let's get into these details. So again, I received this unit from Unice Hair, and on their website it says that this is Unice beginner friendly V-part body wave wig, no leave out, an upgrade from a U-part human hair wig, and it's 150% density and 24 inches. And that's pretty much it. Enough said. Let's talk about it. So no need to tell you if it's big hair friendly or not. I kind of just feel like because it's a V-part unit, it's good for any size head, one size fits all type deal. The texture of this hair, y'all already know, if you know and have had Unice's hair before, they always have a good quality hair. And yeah, you can run your fingers through it. Very soft, no tangling, no shedding, and yeah, that's pretty much, I mean, the ends of the hair are good. No need to trim anything, and you do get all of your 24 inches. Let me show you again how long it is. And I'm 5'7", so it comes, girl, the side view is just everything. But anyway, so it comes down fairly long. Let's pull it back up to the front, and this is all of the hair up to the front. It said it was 150% density, and it's very full, and it got even fuller once I started adding the layers in, but it was already a full unit to begin with. So 150% density is really good. Normally I like 180% density just to make sure it's enough hair on this unit, and 150% with Unice is very good because it's very full and feels like 180% density. So yeah, sis, I mean, it's worth every penny. It looks really good, and I know you're really not supposed to leave a leave out with this unit because it is a V-part unit and you're able to not have a leave out, but I just felt like I just wanted a leave out, and I wanted a deep side part, and there was no way of really doing that without leaving out some hair. And I'm glad I, you know, made the decision to do it because sis, it's giving. And then the layers, girl, the layers is just, you know, it's cute. 4B who? Sis, you cannot tell that your girl has 4B hair type because the blend is just giving, honey. I feel like I'm about to curl up just a tad bit, but for right now, girl, now while we in the house, we're giving, sis. But yeah, I'll have this unit linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.